Hello friends, welcome to my channel that is Study Well. Today I am going to teach you a very important topic, that is differentiation. First of all, I have written here all the important formula which is very essential to remember to attempt the differentiation questions. So I am going to make it very easy to remember for you. There are some trick to remember it. If you are finding it tough to remember, I will make it easy for you. So first formula is d by dx x to the power n. X is variable here and n is power, x to the power n. What we have to do is put the power in front aside here, n and variable x, and minus 1, subtract 1 from the power of n. So the differentiation of x to the power n will be n, which is the power of x, n into x to the power n minus 1. The second formula is d by dx e to the power x. E is called exponential. So the differentiation of exponential term is exactly the same, exponential e to the power x. The third formula is d by dx sin x. The trigonometrical differentiation we are going to learn here. D by dx sin x is very easy, cos x, and the d by dx cos x, it will be sin x with minus sign. So just opposite. Here the sin x is cos x and cos x is minus sin x, so it is easy to remember. You must have remembered it. The fifth formula is d by dx tan x. The differentiation of tan x is sec square x, and the differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x. So we can correlate these two differentiation. The tan x included sec square x, and the sec x included one term exactly the same, sec x, and another one is correlated with tan x. So it will be easy to learn, to remember. I am going to repeat it once again. D by dx tan x is equal to sec square x. There are two terms, we can also write it like that, sec x into sec x. I am just trying to make it easy to remember. Sec x into, there are two terms, tan x, sec x into tan sec x, and the differentiation of sec x will be also have two terms, that is one is sec x and second one is tan x. These are two are correlated. So another one is d by dx cosec x. The differentiation of this one is minus cosec x into cot x, and after that d by dx cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. Cot x term differentiation of cot x included cosec x, and cosec x included cot x. So it will be easy to learn. If we correlated these two, we will find it easy to remember. Another one formula is d by dx log x. It is very easy, just 1 by x. Whatever will be the function with log, it will be just go to denominator, and 1 by x will be the differentiation of it. Another one is d by dx constant. Differentiation of any constant. Constant means which doesn't change anywhere. That is, for example, 1, 2, 3, etc. Any numeric number is called constant and it never changes. So the differentiation of constant is 0. Another one is d by dx under root x. it is 1 by 2 root x. You will have to remember it that d by dx root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Root x we can also write it like that, 1x to the power 1 by 2. So this power 1 by 2 and differentiation of d by dx root x is 1 by 2 root x. So when I am going to just repeat it once again, d by dx x to the power n is n into x to the power minus n minus 1. d by dx exponential term is just the same, e to the power x. d by dx sin x is cos x and d by dx cos x is minus sin x. d by dx tan x is sec square x. d by dx sec x is sec x into tan x. d by dx cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. d by dx cot x is equal to minus cosec x cosec square x, which is correlated. This trick is just easy to make it easy to remember. d by dx log x is equal to 1 by x. d by dx constant is equal to 0 and differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So now I am going to take some questions and try to solve with the help of these formulas. So let's start.